change the business model. In some cases, you're going to get links from a traditional search. In some cases, you're going to get a generative AI answer, which would move those links lower down on the page. Are they ready for this moment? What are you telling them about their ability to reach your users?
The great thing is users still value commercial information. Our ads work based on intent and quality and relevant at the right time. We've been able to test that in the context of AI overviews, and it's working well as we expected it to. So I think it'll be a smooth transition, and that's what we are seeing.
I think I heard Liz Reed say that it's leading to more searches, but the generative AI or AI overview, as you're calling it, is it leading to more or less clicks?
In general, we find it's both overall increasing usage, and when we look at it year on year, we've been able to grow traffic to the ecosystem. So we are, compared to most other players, we are prioritizing approaches which will generate traffic as well. So we are working hard on that.
Does it change the business model? How are you thinking about that?
I think about a year ago, people had questions on whether this would cost too much to serve. We brought down cost 80%. I don't think that would be a concern. I think the way we've been at work and the way we are rolling it out, I feel like we are set up in a pretty good way, and we can build on from here.
Right. Let's talk about cost. You brought it up. SemiAnalysis estimates that a single chat with a ChatGPT could cost up to 1,000 times as much as a simple search. As you said, you brought that cost down. But bringing out AI overviews to everyone in America, to over 1 billion users by the end of the year, that has to raise the cost on your side.
Yeah, it's still, maybe more expensive than a traditional query, but not by much. Just in the last year, we've made our models maybe overall about 80 times more efficient. And so this is what Google was set up for. For 25 years, we've built our own infrastructure from the ground up. And, it's an area I feel super comfortable that we can actually do it well.
Is that because you're using your own in-house custom TPUs, or do you still use GPUs for the AI overviews, the searches?
We are a close partner of NVIDIA's, and we definitely use both GPUs as well as our own in-house hardware. But it's more about it's the entire end-to-end, what we call as AI hypercomputer, how we put it all together and run it super efficiently.
Right. So not material costs that go up from this form of searching.
That's right.
Critics, have said for some time that search has become more cluttered over the years. With AI overviews, you're kind of adding more onto that, and competitors like Perplexity, to name one, have sprung up that have rethought the entire user interface, the whole entire user experience. To a lot of fanfare, why not use this moment to completely overhaul the search experience instead of adding new layers on top?
In some ways, that's what we are doing. When you say AI overviews, we're kind of organizing it for you. It has links in it, so it's not like something that just goes on top alone. Today we showed good examples where it almost organizes the page for you. And so I actually view it as we are simplifying the experience over time. Our feedback has been very positive as we tested. People actually find the experience getting better. So, I think it's an exciting direction.
Would simplifying it the most be just putting it straight to Gemini? I mean, especially as users get used to other chatbots and going directly to them, why not just kind of go all in with the Gemini, which was such a huge focus of the keynote in the last year?
What search does is unique in the sense that it takes the intelligence of Gemini and we ground it with what search knows about the world. What people really value is accurate, trustworthy information. And I think that's part of even in this moment, I think people find Google search very valuable. And they also care about what's out there on the web. So sometimes they're looking for a quick answer. Sometimes they actually want to go out and learn more. So getting that balance right is also what search does well, I think.
And now you're letting technology make that judgment, whether to get links directly to other websites or give a generative AI answer. How are you explaining that, again, to your advertisers and merchants?
They see it in their data, right? Their advertisers were part of this AI overviews as we are rolling it out. I think they'll see it in their performance. Every time we have these transitions, people are a bit uncertain. I think we have done this from desktop to mobile. When local and social content became much more available, we integrated integrated it seamlessly in search.